Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. Today I got another awesome watch face for you all to check out that's worthy of a download in the Gear Manager store. And this one is free for the taking. It gets my stamp of approval for everyday dress down casual watch face. Now, if you want to, you can dress up depending on the color you have this set on. This one is nice. It's by Roma. Roma always gets down on some watch faces. Check out his lineup on his page. This guy does excellent work. Now, the name of the watch face is called Roma Space. I do like the look of this one. It's a premium looking watch face. In the AOD mode, you're going to get the exact same look. It's just going to be dimmed down in a black theme mode, which looks awesome. Once the watch face is on, what you get is a 24-hour digital time at the top, and you get nice premium looking analog hands. You got a couple of dials. One is going to let you know the hour you're in. The other one is going to let you know your battery percentage. Then down at the bottom is going to be your heart rate and your step information. Over here is going to give you your date and your month, get the day of the week, and you also get the year down at the bottom. Now the watch face is inactive, so if I single tap right here, I can pull up my battery percentage. If I tap right here on the heart rate side, I can pull up my heart rate status. Same thing for my step status on this side. So I thought this was definitely a good look for a super casual watch face. Now, at the top, you are going to get digital time, which means you get the best of both worlds, right? But it's going to be in 24 hours. For those of you all who like digital 24 hours, this one here is going to be right up your alley. Now, you can go into your settings, tweak your watch face however you see fit. And also, if I double tap, I could change the color theme of the watch face. Now, if you want to dress up in this one, turn it to the dark color right there, and you're all good. You got a couple more colors to change to. And I thought my man, again, did an excellent job with this dress down super casual watch face. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. Listen, I hope you enjoyed it. Check this watch face out. I think it's worthy of a download to add to your lineup. All right, you all, if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.